Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to pause your Mailchimp account. This is Mailchimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account. Once you're inside your Mailchimp account, just click on your profile icon from this corner and click on Account and Billing. Go to Settings and click on Manage My Plan. Scroll down to temporarily pause my account. As you can see, when you pause your billing for your plan, you'll still have access to your account and data, but you won't be able to send any emails. Click on this pause my account button. After that, a small pop-up will show up. Just confirm your action by filling the word pause in uppercases. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. After confirming your action, you will see a message when your account has been paused. And this is how to pause an account in Mailchimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.